Greetings to everybody that is tuned in with us on our Facebook Live. Rick is here. Thank you for joining us tonight. Tonight is going to be no different than in any of our other shows. You don't know we're the Upnlive show team. We're here every Tuesday. Usually we're in the studios of TGM Radio UK. Between 9 and 11, we're sponsored by Shush Prince, and we just bring you a bag of great people on a weekly basis. And as I said, this week is like no other. But before we go there, guys, how are you? How was your weekend?
You know, I'm good.
I'm there, all right. I'm there from night. I listen to your show and our vibes and everything good. And as soon as a time for me talk, somebody call my phone. You know, people wicked and stay, so.
Oi.
Yeah, man. But we're good, man.
Almighty.
That's how it works, you know?
Oh, no, man. Money have to make same way, no, man, G.
Which is right.
Yeah, just one of them things.
Just make sure so you're keeping yourself safe. Seeing?
Of course.
Dragon All-Star.
What? You know, I'm good. That can't help you, know. Them say them something outdated.
Yo.
Nah, real thing. Them say that something outdated.
Jaja. Right. Make sure you have your overproof rum. Cause make sure, but don't drink and drive. Smoke weed and fly. Or so.
No, me not. I'm park up.
All right then. All-Star, how are you?
You know, I'm good. Stay, I go and take it easy. You know, I'm not start the breath in it. You know.
All right. Slowly but surely.
Them say sober January.
Isn't it go sober for October?
January.
It's go vegetarian for January.
Veggie who?
All right. Move it right along. Move it right along. Rick, mix up. Hot topics, quick and fast.
No mix up, no go on, you know, but me say, them a beat the man wicked.
Wait, we can talk about some past events first before we reach a Beenie Man, because
okay, cool.
Right. So we know that usually during this time back in Jamaica, it would be Rebel Salute. We know that COVID was happening. So last weekend, the organizers of Rebel Salute took us on a journey for the 2021 virtual Rebel Salute staging. So, I mean, we never have a physical show as we normally do, but they replayed highlights of over the years because they've been running for 28 years now, I think. I mean, I think this would have been their 28th staging. So it was a great experience. I mean, people were enjoying the throwbacks performances that people didn't get to see, or persons who might have been there before were reminded of what they attended during those particular performances. So big up to the organizers of Rebel Salute, and we're looking forward to when the doors open next year, fingers crossed, that, you know, the whole of the land full up and people pack up and have a good time and full joy themselves. So that happened on Friday and Saturday as usual. And then we close the weekend on Sunday. We just want to give a big shout out to Black Night Sound, who hosts the Quarantine Legendary Sundays. On Sunday, boy, so there was a clash, right? It was a legendary clash, and I would say that it marked. Would we say it marked history? It marked history. I'll start.
No,
Rick,
not really history, but it was quite fun.
it was good.
It was a good fun for you, see me? It was a good fun for. Big up Bagga British too, but you don't know, dog.
Hold on. So the clash happened between Bagga British and DJ Dio of the Black Night Zone. Both DJs
and
are
hold on there.
Exceptional
if
DJs.
If don't know Dio, the youth to sing the song Life of a DJ.
Life of a DJ. Yeah. He's also an artist.
He's also an artist. Selector.
Bad DJ.
Wicked clash. Clash sweet.
It was really, really good. So that happened on Sunday. Whole heap of people had their opinions of who would have won the clash prior to the clash starting. And we did say Bagga British, you know, everybody had their fan base, but boy, Dio start the beatings from early. Say that Dio won from round one.
Yeah. From round one, Bagga British get beaten, and but you have to give him this still. Him show good sportsmanship by not blaming nothing on the equipment. Him just trod on with whatever. obviously you can see genuinely friendship between the two of them. And it's all about entertainment, you know,
it's
and
music.
bringing entertainment to the people out there. So you have to give it to them, kudos to you two of them, you see me?
Yeah. And as per usual, obviously the comment section is where, you know, the joy and the laughs and everything is. The line that took me out for the entire night, DJ Sparks, big up yourself, the dinosaur dead. That was the line for the night.
Now, big up Sparks, you know, big up all of the selector them and the sound people and the party patrons them. We actually come out on the live, you come support the thing because when you hear what I go on now, them said the road lock, but the internet open. So we can bring the road to the internet, right? So some of this, and as well, Bagga Bridge say, is a lot of selector in the comment section and make some tough talk, but they're not willing to go out there and stick them neck out for going at some sound clash. Remember, it's a 45 shootout in a dog, you know, if you have no woolly pad dub, you know. It's a 45 shootout. So some of the selector we're out there or go on like say, yo, I wanna run London, I wanna run England. Stick on the head out and make man shoot off tight.
I'll get some buckets,
And a big shout out to DJ English Fire as well. I think he was a great host for the class.
Like
he knew, obviously, he knew him. There was no
in terms of who was with the most, in terms of like clash and them thing there, are really two good one we have in London. And you know, English Fire and Sir Alan Brando, they have one different part, but you don't know.
Yeah.
And them
definitely
really response for the clash world. And
definitely
you have to put respect where it's due. So yo, big up all of the patrons them. And here one now, the War Angel them come out cause I want a whole heap of woman in the clash section. And you say, yo, you think that look something I would have full up a man, but more woman over there than a man, dog.
What were your thoughts on the way how they twisted the clash though with the top Shabba songs, and who else was the other one? Was it Shabba and
the
Shabba? It's Shabba and Berries. It's Shabba and Berries.
Was it Cartel?
No, it's Shabba and Berries. What was the two artists? But
right.
So the two DJs them are selector. Them play two songs, and they make a lot of selector in the UK more knowledgeable because I did not know that the great sing song with Shabba. You know who me attack, Rick?
Who that?
Tall name.
You know who me attack about, man? Anaraga Rugi.
Not the virus this time.
Yeah, but yo, Jaja, and you see more or less some man a road and you take them simple. Yo, but you know, you still have to put some respect on some man name in the dark. I say, yo, an idea, them put in some work in the past, you see me? And
exactly.
You really teach a lot of people a lot of things, and you have to give respect because even Fire Sparks, him say, him on YouTube this right now because, you know,
him never know neither.
People actually admit things, you know. I know like one time, I could remember when I just come to UK, and remember the bigger man them in the game, them usually say, when you look at laptop selector, when this, when that, where are some of them now? And where are them CDs now? Everybody a play a laptop. So, while when a man admit and say, yo, I'm wrong, I don't know this, it's good. Because you never borrow music in here and play.
And then everything, it's a learning curve. So, I mean, it's good to learn things on a daily basis. So, I learn something too.
Which is right.
Yeah. Yeah, so Rick, you want to talk about the Beenie Man situation?
No, it's that there's no situation to talk about. It's just
of course there's a situation
to talk about. You know, members of Rick and Beenie Man and family.
Yes.
No, but Beenie Man and my artist, you know, I know I kind of like with how them do it. I respect them for how them do it. Then do it mature.
Yes, yeah.
No bother cuss or nothing. If certain things don't work out, but what me more interested in is the aftermath, because me just see people start speak for Angel after say, yo, Angel, I go look fucking work.
Yeah.
Amari, I push in, I say.
There's something that I need to read.
You see, nowadays when we realize the internet is no short of festivity.
None
Remember
time.
when the Amara go over lava go? Which says she can sing like again, Rasta?
No. Lava boost her up and say the voice. What? The
I know
voice
Whitney.
massive ear.
Which
Sing
say
like that is Whitney.
Whitney.
The girl
Jesus
put on a piece of singing.
But from what they still say,
Boost her up.
Jamaicans are obsessed with mad people from about 2020. I don't know what go on. Like,
Yeah.
Alright.
right now, if you want boss, you just have to pretend like you're mad.
No, but I don't know for a long time, you know. Because if you look on the race, there's always somebody comedic in the business.
Always.
There's always somebody from 40 days. You have that character there. You have a whole heap of, you have Nagaput, you have whole heap of them who comedic there. There's always what just happened now is changed to females now because it's more female than male now. Because still when they are superstar now.
Of
course, like she had done Pink Wall page. Come on.
What the big top one name? The fat one there. What's your name? June.
I call her Bully Beef. It's not she named Bully Beef?
No, man, June, man. June, I'm a girl.
Yeah.
June a superstar too.
June a fat girls matter, you know that.
Yeah.
June
So just to like give people perspective. If you don't know, basically Beenie Man and Krystal Tomlinson, who were a couple, are no longer a couple. So and they both took to their individual social media pages to say to people, listen, this is the situation. My opinion on it.
Yeah.
All right. And at first, when Beenie Man did the video, like, whole heap of people would have said that the method in which he did it was as if he never care and blah, blah, blah. But then when you look at it and you do some introspection and you kind of understand how men might think or how men might express themselves.
Yeah.
Them not really talk about emotions or talk about
not much emotion. It's emotion.
Understand? So it might come off as if brush it under the rug and go back to the story.
Yeah.
So we can I look on it and I give and I'm giving out empathy in the situation because it's a difficult situation. You've been with somebody for what? They've been together for 4 or 5 years. They have a child together. So it's not just we're boyfriend and girlfriend and then we're left. It's like a whole relationship, family situation.
You know, me feel something happened, but then just don't want to put the problem. Because there's no way.
I'll get to that now. So Rick, what you feel happened? Yeah. What do you feel happened? Remember we are go by surmise. What you think happened?
All right. Me not like spread the rumor.
And a rumor, I know, is your thought. It's your thought. It's your thought.
Yeah, it's my
your
thought.
Opinion.
I think something went down. I can't pinpoint exactly what it is, but because of who they are, and I think you see this girl. I don't know her name, Krystal Tomlinson, but she brought something to Beenie Man's life that was lacking, and she brought stability, and she is the type of person that I see her playing a big role in just keeping this civil and decided to part.
Yeah.
I think me I put for my head for him. I think Beenie Man does something wrong.
Well, I know.
Blaming it on Beenie.
Where I say, you say a fuck pan then.
Me never said that.
Talk where you talk, me just ask if that you say if a fuck pan go on or what. What go on?
So, listen, me not speculate nothing like that, but whatever go on, me feel like a Beenie Man wrong. It could be right, it could be wrong too. But me just feel like a Beenie Man wrong.
So hold on now, Rick. So was ever Krystal fuck pan Beenie Man? Because remember a politician them a wicked, you know. Remember tough time they have him down in a one girl throat and him that band gate song. So remember politician wicked. I'm just making you know. Yeah.
Well, everybody deserves our opinion. That's your opinion.
That's your opinion.
I don't know Krystal, so I don't really want to style that. But me know Beenie Man. Beenie Man say my old dog.
Old dog like me.
And the thing about it is the comments them under the video is like, Beenie, don't worry yourself. You're old dog. Don't worry yourself. You're alright. Well,
you see why NID still? Me feel like say, yo, Beenie Man get old and she want something young, fresh and hot.
Everybody to each his own. That's your opinion.
That is my opinion, right. Because remember, you know, whole boy now, not by young boy at Jamaica, you know.
That you say?
All man now, because young boy have money now. So all man now, Jamaican young boy.
All boy have experience.
Experience selling a book and you know pan documentary them something. They can buy experience now.
Yes.
Cause people.
Me have a great them and me have different old boy them and what I do.
You see nowadays in this internet driven world that we live in, experience selling a book and they sell online. So some man who make some mistake in them life, me I say, you never watch Amari. You never watch Lava. You learn of other people experience. So you get me? Age ain't nothing when you talk about experience. Your experience come with where you call it, you digest in your mind. Because you see a man who make a mistake all 4 times. And you say one day him learn off of this. And you never make it go through life.
That's true. That's a fair point. So shout out to Krystal Cole who made a post in I mean, this is a joke, obviously. She said, all one go on, but just wait for Angel drop her new song, you know? My no girl alone sweet him. Girl did a hype but him, but we know she couldn't keep him. So look out for the new courtesy of lyrics from Krystal Cole. Big up yourself. For me, it's an unfortunate situation because I was personally, I love them as a couple.
So hold on now. Let me just ask something. How the ass Beenie man the married Angel so quick?
Listen,
as far as what Jamaica say, Krystal a good girl.
Yeah, that's true. I don't know, but I mean, I wish them both the
Beenie man take a one fuck off of Angel and she get the ring. So I don't know what go on. If some stupids cook her them little something there, what go on?
Probably. Go on. Look at the characters.
Look at the characters. Look at Angel personality compared to Krystal personality. 2 different personas. Angel is more for the limelight, the bling, and the here and now. And let's do this. So the marriage was gonna be in the conversation because she thinks that yes, to get the trophy husband and dancer, she's in dancer. Krystal is the contrary, is the opposite. She is more
stability, longevity, gold, knows what she wants.
Be a Jimmy back at Krystal.
Lord Jesus. Moving right along. Keon Griffith said, all young boy have his hood, they broke. Hello.
I was a say, Keon.
See that?
Keon. I lie, Keon, you this young boy.
Keon
young boy have them money now.
No young boy.
Yeah.
Because all them have is old and they are broke. Moving right along.
So Keon, yes, go take all hood then.
Moving right along, ladies and gentlemen.
You never get nothing good in our life.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, those were the hot topics for this week. But yeah.
I want to talk about the government over here.
Because we don't have time.
But anyway.
We don't have time.
All right.
We don't have time.
Can I feel stress?
Ladies and gentlemen, to see you for the night. The show will continue, but you won't see me because I will be here.
He's going to make the cheddar. He's going to make the money. He's going to make the money so Keon Griffiths can get some because she don't want them. She want all my money.
All money.
You see,
I'm
drinking, I must spend some old money around there, you know?
You understand?
Yeah.
So shout out to everybody that is still with us here on Facebook. And if you're on TGM Radio's page as well, thank you for joining us. We know that you are waiting patiently for the man with us, for the man that says flick them. Flicker Don is waiting. We're gonna be getting in contact with him shortly, but we're gonna make All-Star drop some music and then we do and then we'll have a chat with Flicker Don. Big up on yourself.